Hey, I'm Carl. Just Carl.
Hello, I'm Maha.
And today we're going to be talking about the use of information technology platforms in today's healthcare system. Each year, around 2 million people die in the US, with some of the most common causes being heart and cardiovascular related diseases. According to the first article, about 40% of these deaths could be prevented by simply modifying behavioral issues and adopting healthier lifestyles such as not smoking, properly regulating blood sugar and blood pressure levels, and so on. This is where the use of information technology platforms can make a positive impact on increasing patient engagement and helping people take on healthier living habits to reduce avoidable deaths.
Hello, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
What are you in here for today?
Yeah, I've been feeling kind of funny, so I was just wondering if you could take my blood pressure to see if everything's okay.
Yeah, sure. So it looks like everything is normal.
Oh, that's weird. Okay, thank you.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm good, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. Is there anything you want to be checked out for today?
Yeah, I've been feeling kind of weird lately, so I was just wondering if you could just check up on anything that's weird going on with me. Yeah.
Yep. Can I use the data from your Apple Watch to see if there's anything abnormal?
Sure.
So, let me see. So, according to your data, it seems like you have consistently higher than normal blood pressure over the period of the day. And that's kind of a great concern. I would like to go over with you options in order to lower your blood pressure.
Yeah, that'd be great. Thanks.
The first article discussed a review of the existing literature on the impact of information technology on patient engagement and health behavior change. They aim to find the impact of IT platforms through patient engagement, behavior models, measuring different health outcomes, the usability of information technology, as well as the challenge of implementing information technology. They concluded that IT platforms can enhance patient engagement and can improve health outcomes, but could not find other conclusions such as usability and implementation of information technology.
The article states that out of the studies that were analyzed in this article, only 33.5% of them assessed the usability of IT platforms. And personally, coming from an informatics background, I think usability is an extremely important factor in the user experience, user retention, and the user satisfaction of using an app, website, or digital product. So let's say, for example, a person wants to start improving their fitness, they can use an app to help track their runs. But if the usability of this app is poor, then it greatly reduces the user's overall experience of using the app and can even potentially cause them to stop using the app altogether, which puts them back at square one. Maybe the app takes too long to load, or it takes too many clicks to add in a run they just did. Whatever usability issue it may be, it can negatively affect the person's view on the app and the entire process of using these IT platforms to help better themselves. Fortunately, on the flip side, if an app's usability is strong and enjoyable to use, then it will be easy for people to use and incorporate such technologies into their daily lives.
I agree with the article that more research needs to be done in order to clarify specific behaviors changes as well as the usability of information technology. Although information technology can be of great use in the healthcare field, as it can show how patients participate and facilitate health behavior change, the effectiveness of information technology needs to be shown in order for it to be implemented in healthcare.
The second article outlines the motivation and process in which researchers from UCI converted already existing technology from a children's toy into a cheap, innovative new way to monitor respiratory patterns continuously. The significance of this is that instead of getting a snapshot of the patient's respiratory capacity, it opens the possibility to utilize pattern recognition, which means that it's possible to analyze the data and anticipate possible asthma attacks or other incidents. The continuous data will also improve the physician's overview of the patient's health, which could improve the ability to diagnose and assess the patient's condition, as the patients may only seek consultation when the symptoms worsen. The technology in this article is still being tested, but I believe that the improvement of wearable diagnostic devices holds great possibilities for the future.